Get their buy-in. How can we use their expertise to assist with this? Because it's not just we're going to put in a third-party product and bolt it onto their network and do it, but how are we going to use them to assist us in this? And what further upgrades, always talk the dollar, what further upgrades will you get down the track when we know what the data is from the building?
Scott from GPT?
Similar lines. I think you've got to foster a change management culture within that business. So you've got to take them on the journey and get them to, I guess, understand why it's important for us and therefore why it makes it relevant for them. And then I'd also think, you don't need to start like trying to solve the problems of the world, right, to begin with. I think, start with pilot projects to build that trust. I think it's important to build that trust. And you do that by starting small and then getting each party to see the benefit of it.
And Scott Beauman?
I'll take the opposite side of this argument. I actually think we need to be a bit tougher on this, right? Like, I think we all kind of agree that this is the way the industry is moving forward. And I think, look, maybe it's time to tell people to get on board with it or start looking for something else, right? I think, the pilots are good and, we've certainly done a lot of them and a lot of them have been successful. A lot of them have had their challenges that we've kind of gone through today. But yeah, for me, it's, again, maybe a little bit biased. I think it's time we just, kind of really make a coordinated push, right? This is happening.